Hey everyone, glad you could make it. Today I've got another intense video for you, so check this out and ride safe.
Hey, watch where you're going, you.
Yeah, this is electric, huh?
Oh yeah, it's like a Tesla.
What? Look at you, you're such a man. Wow, look at you.
No, just playing.
Flex.
Where y'all going out to eat?
Yeah, let's go.
Too right.
Where are you going tonight?
Huh?
Where are you going tonight?
LA.
Oh, you're a bitch.
Oh yeah. Peace.
This clip shows how much damage can be caused by a moment of inattention.
It was at this moment that he knew. He
Fake. Just this scratch. It's be alright to polish it.
I will. I have to. Luckily.
Yeah, I got it on video anyway, so I'm gonna let this man a note.
In the road, bro. Jesus Christ, dude.
The biker didn't think the maneuver through, which could have cost him a lot.
Are you okay?
Evidently this driver is in a hurry and you can judge his behavior yourselves. Initially, the man accused these bikers of speeding and riding past his house frequently. The bikers deny everything, but the conversation shows that the man simply doesn't like all bikers.
Hein? On est 50 là, 60 hein?
C'est vous qui faites commenter des centres?
Non, il n'y a pas que moi là, monsieur.
Parce que ça va mal aller, hein.
Pourquoi?
Si vous faites les comptes, ça va être réglé, hein.
C'est pas votre problème, il y a les flics pour ça.
La semaine prochaine,
Il y a la gendarmerie pour ça, monsieur.
Ouais, mais je vais les appeler.
Bah appelle-les. Vas-y, appelle-les, ça sert à quoi? Tu vas faire quoi? Appelle-les, ça va faire quoi?
Ouais, tu veux faire quoi?
Tu fais ta loi là.
C'est marrant là, d'attendre tout le temps monter et descendre.
Mais ça me regarde pas ça.
Ça me regarde pas?
Bah non.
Moi j'habite là.
Ouais, mais moi aussi
Ça me
j'habite là,
regarde.
ça fait 35 ans que j'habite là moi.
Alors?
Et bah alors? Il est où le problème?
C'est où le problème?
Bah ouais, fais bien le malin toi, tu vas voir. Bah ouais, fais bien le malin. Casse-toi vite là. Non. Il y a un accident. Aïe aïe aïe. Ah, y a pas de soucis, ça va.
Non, mais je vais te lever la moto.
Ouais, ouais, c'est ça, ouais, surtout.
Je passe de ce côté-là.
Là.
Enlève ton bras, je vais prendre.
Prenez la. Ouais, là.
Comment?
Prenez la. Là.
Là.
La poignée, ouais. Allez-y. Je vous aide. Attendez, hop. Oh, fait chier.
Ah bah oui, fait chier sûr.
Avec ça m'arrive.
After some time, these bikers realized that one of their pals was missing. As it turned out later, he ran into water, lost control and fell over.
Where's Spice going? Where is it? I don't know. Maybe he went back. Let's go back. Huh? Yeah, I know. He was up and walking. Huh? He was up and walking. Yeah. No, that's our friend. No, that's our friend. No. Where's the bike at, bro?
I think it's okay. Listen to me.
Yes, sir.
He hit a water spot, he's fine, right? Once we get everything figured out, but I can't let you leave your motorcycle and stack him up out here.
Okay. Can we push him over here with this guy?
Once I talk to him, then y'all go speak to him, okay?
Okay. Damn. He hit a water spot?
Yeah. He probably hit a water spot and went to cut over or something.
Yeah. Did you see what happened?
I just came from a BLM rally. I'm like, wait a minute, the police.
Did you see what happened?
Yeah, he hit some water. Nobody hit him.
Okay.
He made a very good recovery, in my opinion. But he tumbled and he's all rash. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, we've been best friends since like 6th grade.
Yeah,
so it's
no. He
like,
was conscious the whole time. He's doing okay. But he's going to be in shock if he's not there already. He is, yeah. But he's alive. Woo.
Vous avez un stop au parking? Vous avez un stop au parking?
Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.